Correct passage through intersections is one of the key factors in road safety in cities. Traffic rules impose fairly strict requirements on all road users who find themselves at an intersection at the same time. How to navigate an intersection? A difficult task according to traffic rules. According to the rules, the driver of a white car approaches a perpendicular road to turn left. At this time, a blue car, a tram, and a cyclist are traveling in different directions across his path. To solve the problem, answer the question: who should the driver of the white car give way to in these circumstances? There are quite a few possible answers here. 1. The tram and the blue car. 2. The cyclist. 3. Only the tram. 4. The tram and the cyclist. 5. No one. 6. Everyone. Think carefully, remember the traffic rules, and formulate the correct answer to this question for yourself. Then move on to the explanation. Explanation. Look closely at the picture. You see an unregulated intersection of equal roads. There are no traffic lights or priority signs. All traffic participants intend to drive straight through this intersection, except for the driver of the white car, who is signaling that he will turn left. In such conditions, drivers must give way in accordance with the current traffic rules, also known as the rule of right-of-way. At an intersection of roads of equal importance, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where a roundabout is organized. Tram drivers must also follow this rule. At the same time, at any unregulated intersection, a tram, regardless of its further direction of movement, has priority over non-rail transport approaching it on an equivalent road. Thus, in this situation, the tram has priority, even though the white car is an obstacle to its right. This means that the tram will pass through this intersection first in any case. Next, it can be noted that the driver of the white car has the right-of-way over the driver of the blue car. After all, he is an obstacle on the right for the blue car. At the same time, the cyclist is already obstructing the movement of the white car on the right, so the driver must give way to him. If we look at the situation from the point of view of the actual traffic situation, the blue car will most likely pass the intersection at the same time as the tram. But according to the rules, the order of passage here should be as follows. First goes the tram, then the cyclist goes, then the white car goes, and then the blue car goes. Thus, according to the traffic rules, the driver of the white car must give way to the tram and the cyclist. Therefore, the correct answer is the fourth one.